Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you guys had a great holiday. I am trying to get back in the swing of things. This week has just been crazy. I am sure you are somewhat feeling the same way with just not knowing what day it is, Christmas, holidays, and all of it has me just like a little scatterbrained. So I hope that this video gives you guys some inspiration or motivation to just kind of get back in the swing of things. And you're gonna see, you guys, we just kind of like lived the last couple of days. We didn't really do a whole lot of cleaning. We didn't really do a whole lot of putting the dishes away. We just did a lot of relaxing, playing with Christmas presents and watching movies. We binge watched a couple of movies, which is fantastic, but it also just caused the house to just look like a bomb blew up. So I hope that you enjoy this video, and let me know in the comment section below how your holiday season went. I hope everybody stayed safe and enjoyed their time home with family. Look at that drool. Oh my goodness. One of the perks of having a Mastiff type dog. Just drool. Just Bobo. You watching outside? Yeah, buddy. You watching outside? So, oh, look at them. You guys, we're watching my brother's dog right now. First of all, there's one Christmas present. We've got to clean that up today. Someone has a shoe. What, Stella? Lulu, where are you? Oh my gosh, stinker. Give me that. That's not for you. No. Oh goodness. I moved this table to do a workout this morning, and it's also become like the wrestling zone for the dogs. So obviously Bobo is ours. Ellie is ours. Lulu is a foster. Hi, Pumpkin. And then Stella is my brother's dog that we're watching for a little bit. And it's just this. This is my day all day. They just wrestle. You can see we've just got crumbs everywhere. I'm going to go through that stuff here in just a second. And then all of this cleaning to do. So quickly before I actually start cleaning, I'm going to clean my wedding ring and my wedding band. I don't have, I know that you can get those little, jewelry cleaner solutions. I don't have that, and I didn't want to go out and get it. So I'm just using Dawn dish soap with really, really hot water, and I'm going to put my ring in there for about 15 minutes while I clean the kitchen. It'll just be soaking and getting clean. Hear any dogs in the background, that's because that's our life now. But I picked up a couple of things I wanted to show you. I went to TJ Maxx and I picked up this, it looks like one of those stoneware containers, which I thought was really cute, that I'm going to put on our stove and just put our stirring utensils in there. I just loved how, it's not even, and it's got all those dots in there, the colors. I'm trying to bring in more neutral colors into our house. So I thought that looked really nice. So I picked that up. We broke a couple of our measuring cups. So I picked up some of these. Again, they're in neutrals. I didn't plan that, but I like these because they're like big spoons. And they're all one piece. So part of the problem was that, the measuring cup broke where the handle, starts, and they were metal. So I figured these one piece measuring cups will work. And I liked how long the spoon was because I felt like it would be really useful, digging into a box of flour or whatever it may be. So I picked those up as well. Soph has been really into helping us in the kitchen. So I found this cute little 5-piece mini utensil set, and it's rubber. that I just, I thought it was so cute. So I'm sure she is going to enjoy this and being able to have her own tools in the kitchen. I did pick up I think it's called a Bubba. Maybe it's called Bubba, I think. This is a 1.5 liter. Bubba water. So one of the things I'm trying to do is increase my water intake. That's a story for another day as to why, but I found this, so I went ahead and picked that up. I'm trying to just really make sure that I am drinking enough water and getting what I need. And then I picked up the Swiffer. I will leave a link above from my Infuse line review from Target, which I absolutely love. But I needed to get something to pick up the dog hair. They have the mop attachments, which are great, but I wanted to just do something dry first and then mop after. So I picked those up. I'm hoping that they'll fit on the Infuse line. We'll see, to be determined. And then I also picked up some Peony Mrs. Myers. I can't speak. This is one of their summer scents. Now, like I said, I love the Infuse line. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to pour this into my Infuse spray bottle, because you guys, that spray bottle is the best spray bottle I have found. And I absolutely love it, but I love the scent of Mrs. Myers. So I will go ahead and pour this into my Infuse bottle and use that. And then these spray bottles, I have some projects that I'm going to be doing, so I'm actually going to save these and I'll use them later. And then I just picked up some paper towels because we were out of those.
How did we end up here in the corner, looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't want to talk anymore. I want to get so numb, while we enemies. No, you don't mind the way.
So like I just mentioned, I will leave the link to the video of my Infuse line cleaning review in the iCards, and I'll probably also put it in the description box below. So if you do want to check that out, definitely go check that video out. I did it, I feel like it's been almost a year ago, but everything still applies to that video. This sprayer, if you don't get anything from the Infuse line except one thing, get this spray bottle, because it by far is the best spray bottle that I have found. It is powerful. It doesn't, get stuck, if you know what I mean. Like the little lever doesn't get stuck. It just works really, really well, and it holds a lot of liquid. Look how gross my coffee maker is. So we have been on this hot cocoa kick, which has been great, but there have been a couple of times that Sophia has hit the wrong button and it's overflown, is that the right word? Overflowed, yeah, into the little catch-all part of the Keurig. It's so gross. So I definitely needed to clean that out, as well as the rest of my little coffee bar, because, coffee, it just splatters everywhere no matter how careful you are. And then I'm going to refill my coffee with the caramel flavored coffee from Starbucks. I've really been loving this with the Coffee Mate Irish Sweet Cream creamer. Those two together are a really, really good pair. And then my Christmas tree, we're just filling up with hot cocoa still, because it's, now it's snowing outside, and it's just good to have a nice cup of hot cocoa at the end of the day. So I want to know, where are you guys at on your Christmas decor? I don't think that there's a right answer. I'm leaving mine up until New Year's. And then I think after New Year's, I'll do a good deep clean and put all of the Christmas decor away. But I'm having a really hard time with it. I love the Christmas decor. I know Christmas is over, but it's just so cozy, and I'm already getting ideas for next year, and I just don't want to take it down. And that's okay. I think everybody, it's your home. Decorate it how you want to decorate it. Live in it how you want to live in it. And so I know that I'm going to keep it up until New Year's. and then we'll go from there. I'll probably end up taking it down the week after New Year's.
It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold, yet warm. When you hold me, when you close. I know, I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter, right through the gray.
So now I'm going to move on to our kitchen sink, and this kitchen sink is cast iron. Sean actually got underneath the sink and was looking at it. It's a cast iron sink, which is awesome, fantastic. However, I'm having a really hard time keeping it clean. It seems like my pots and pans kind of scuff it, and I've tried like the magic eraser. Right now I'm just doing soap and baking soda, and then I'll go over certain spots with the magic eraser. But if you guys have any ideas on what I can use to really keep this sink white and eliminate those scuff marks from pots and pans, please let me know in the comment section below, because it drives me bananas. I love a clean kitchen, I love a clean home, I love a clean sink, and the scuff marks, oh gosh, it just irks me. So definitely let me know if you have any ideas in the comment section below on how I can get those marks out of my sink. And again, it is cast iron, so I don't know if that makes a difference as far as what I can use on it.
XO, my ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol, just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later, but you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't go far. Take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels a little bit.
So like I said before, I'm just using one of Sophia's old toothbrushes to clean in between the little nooks and crannies of my ring. This toothbrush is a kid's toothbrush, so I thought it was pretty gentle, but it also will, cause that vibration to agitate things and get that dirt loose. So here's a quick before and after. It's a lot more sparkly and it looks great. So I cannot recommend that enough. If you don't want to go out and buy anything to clean your jewelry, just some Dawn dish soap and hot water worked really, really well for me. So I'm finishing up cleaning the kitchen here, and then I will, I'm going to rearrange kind of the backsplash by my stove, just because there is this weird spot on our stove, and you'll see it here in just a second, that there's nothing there. And I I don't know if it's intentionally made that way for something, back when it was originally made. Was there something that was supposed to go there? I have no idea. But it has, it drives me crazy because it just looks like something's missing. It's constantly looked like something's missing. And I've tried to put things there like a candle. I've got that little stand up there right now. And it just hasn't felt right. It just has continually felt off to me. So I love the utensil holder that I got. I feel like this area finally feels complete. It adds some height and it just looks like it fits there. So maybe that's why there's that void there and I'm just now figuring it out. I have no idea. But I am going to just finish up cleaning and decorating that space. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope it gave you some inspiration and motivation to clean along with me or to clean or decorate a space in your home. Again, if you're new here, my name is Sydney. This is the Pleasant Street Farmhouse. I'd love for you to stick around and join the farmhouse family by hitting that subscribe button down below and turning on the bell notification. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.